Awoniyi, a 27-year-old soccer player for Nottingham Forest, is in an induced coma and getting special care after having emergency surgery. The injury happened during a match on Sunday when he crashed into a goalpost while chasing the ball. Awoniyi got some treatment and tried to keep playing, but he was clearly in pain. Later, doctors found out that his abdominal injury was very serious and could have been life-threatening. He had surgery right away and is now recovering. Nottingham Forest said the surgery seems to be going well. The club also defended their owner, Evangelos Marinakis, who came onto the field after the game. Some people, including former player Gary Neville, criticized him for doing that, but the club said Marinakis was just showing care and concern for his injured player. They also blamed the medical staff for letting Awoniyi keep playing when he was hurt. The club asked people not to judge the situation without knowing all the facts. However, Awoniyi has played in many big games for Nottingham Forest and is known as an important player. Fans and teammates are hoping for a full recovery. We'll continue to supply you more sports news updates and exclusive videos. Share your thoughts in the comment box section below and keep watching NaijaNews TV.